which cruise lines have shut down, or how much money the cruise lines are actually spending per month just to keep their ship lives. Do you know that? And do you know which are the cruise lines which are actually going to survive in 2021, even though if there is a no cruising at all? So if you want to know all these information, so make sure you keep watching this video. And welcome to the episode of Cruise Updates, where I give information about a cruise industry and the cruise ships, what's actually going on in the industry, right? So let's get started. Hello guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video, guys. Yes guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about some really bad news as well, guys, because there are some cruise lines who have shut their business and there are some cruise lines who are actually at risk, and at any time they can go bankrupt and they will be shutting down their businesses, right? And there are few cruise lines who are actually going to survive, and basically I'll give you a complete information in this video. So make sure you keep watching this video, because if you are a cruise lover and if you want to work on a cruise ship, you must know all these details and you must know what is going on in the cruise industry. So let's get started, but make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon, do the all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative video, guys, you will get a notification automatically to your phone, right? So let's get started. Well guys, if we look at this pandemic of this coronavirus, it seems to be like most of the cruise lines, they are not actually going to return in 2021 as well, because things are not getting stopped. Cases are increasing day by day, and still there is no such thing as a vaccine. No, none of the doctor, none of the medical team, nobody is actually addressing a point when we are going to have a vaccine. And due to this coronavirus, some of the cruise lines, they have gone busted, they have gone bankrupt, as so many of cruise lines has already given a statement that they are not going to survive this shutdown. If the cruising does not start as soon as possible, they are actually going to shut their businesses down, and most of the cruise lines have already shut their businesses. So what is going to happen in the future? What we should expect from the major cruise line? So let's look into it. Like Carnival Corporation, which includes or which holds so many of cruise lines, around 9 cruise lines, includes Carnival Cruise Line, Princess Cruises, Costa Cruises, AIDA, Holland America. These are the cruise lines, and even more cruise lines are there which are holds by Carnival Corporation. Then next to it there is the Royal Caribbean Holdings Limited, which holds Celebrity Cruises and Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, even more cruise lines, right? And there is a Norwegian Cruise Line Holding Limited, which holds Norwegian Cruise Line, Regent 7 and Oceania Cruises. By this time there are 5 cruise lines who have gone busted, who have gone bankrupt, guys, and they have actually some of the ships they have sent to a scrap as well. Trust me, ships has gone to scrap due to this coronavirus. So let's talk about what are those cruise lines who has actually gone bankrupt and who have shut down their businesses. One of the Royal Caribbean partnership went back, that is Pullmantur Cruise Line, which is a Spanish based cruise line. Yes guys, this is very sad. Pullmantur Cruise Line, they have actually given an update and they have gone bankrupt, and guys, it is really so sad watching the cruise lines going bankrupt and they are shutting down their businesses. Second big cruise line has gone bust was Cruise and Maritime Voyages. This is UK based cruise and it was very popular cruise line. Well guys, this is the second one. Number third was Birka Cruise Line, based on Sweden and Europe. It is German cruise line, but unfortunately they also have gone bankrupt. Number 4, the fourth North American based cruise line to close down is Blount Small Ship Adventures, and they have announced they are not going to reopen the cruise line. Number 5, now a part of these cruise lines, one of the biggest amongst them is fairly at risk, which is Crystal Cruises. Yes guys, Crystal Cruise Line, which is based on the Hong Kong as well, and there are some cruising in the Europe as well, but guys, this is a cruise line which is at higher risk, and there are updates from these cruise lines, guys. If cruising is not going to reopen as soon as possible, they are actually going to bankrupt. So now what is the update about a bigger and the major cruise lines in the entire world? and these really major and big cruise lines are extremely likely to survive in this pandemic, in the moment of this pressure, because the way they have built themselves and the way they have structured themselves, they have investors, they have lenders and many more people from where they can keep on getting money. And these cruise lines, they have really played a very smart role and have dropped down their daily expenses pretty, like means all the crew members on board ship are on a contract basis. So on the immediate level, they had cancelled the contracts. If you are watching my videos from the long time, so I had already updated you guys so how the contracts were get cancelled. All right guys, so basically all the crew members contracts were cancelled, and most of the crew members, they have sent to their home backs, okay, and they have put their ships into a cold layout, which on the heavy basis reduces the cost of the cruise, and it also helps in cost cutting. So guys, now I will tell you details about a major cruise lines, which is Norwegian Cruise Line, Carnival Corporation and Royal Caribbean Holdings Limited. Well guys, I'm gonna tell you, well, since the pandemic have started, how much money these cruise lines have raised and how much money they are actually burning per month, just a month, just to keep their ships alive. And after knowing these facts guys, you are actually going to shock. It is really so expensive guys to keep their ships alive. Just to keep a cruise ships alive, it is really so expensive. Number one, Carnival Corporation. Since the pandemic has raised over $11.5 billion, they are currently burning around $650 million a month. If you want to know how much is going to be $650 million in rupees, you can see I have converted them. And the CEO of Carnival Corporation have said that they have managed enough money, so even though if there is no cruising, no sailing till in the mid of 2021, they are still going to survive, right guys? So even though if there is no cruising, no sailing till half of the 2021, this cruise line have enough money to survive. Second one, the Royal Caribbean Group have also managed enough money. They are currently burning $250 million a month. However, since the pandemic have started, they have raised $7.1 billion, and what they are saying that they have enough money to keep going right middle of the 2021, even though if there is no sailing. Yes guys, Royal Caribbean also has given a statement that they have enough money to survive till mid of the 2021, even though if there is no sailing or cruising. Third, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings Limited is burning $160 million per month. They have mentioned that they will keep going. However, they have managed to raise during this financial time, they have raised $5 billion, and this is going to cover them till third quarter of 2021, so even far longer than these two cruise lines. Well guys, Norwegian seems to be a very well covered. They can actually handle this pressure, this pandemic, till a third quarter of 2021. So it seems to be these three major cruise lines are really very well covered. I give regular updates on this channel about cruise lines and about the cruise industry, about the cruise ships, cruise jobs. So why don't you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, do the all notification on, so whenever I will upload more videos guys, you will get a notification automatically. Nothing goes in subscribing and you get a free of cost notification. So well guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like my effort, then please make sure you hit the like button. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. And please do share this video. It is going to help people getting a knowledge, and you can be a person who is indirectly helping a person who is seeking for the same information. So well guys, please tell me in the comment section how was the video, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.